Now that our butter is creamed, it's time to add the brown sugar. So we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar. If you happen to have dark brown sugar instead of light brown, then that's fine. It will just add a little bit more flavor to the cookie. And you want to really pack in the sugar a lot. If you have this in a separate container and can scoop it out, that's even better. I'm going to pour about half of it in and then pack it down with my spatula. Brown sugar is very moist, so it's going to produce a softer cookie instead of a crispier cookie, as you would get with using granulated sugar instead. And if you find that when you go to use your brown sugar, it's hardened, you can always stick it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. It will soften it up so that you can use it again. Also, if you're using it for cooking, if you're going to melt it, then you don't have to worry about it being soft before you pour it. So we've got about 3/4 of a cup in there, and we're going to pour it out into butter, and then we're going to mix it, starting at a slower speed and moving up to a higher speed. Okay, now our sugar and butter have been completely mixed in together, and you have a nice brown color to it from the brown sugar, and it's soft, and we're ready to add our next ingredients.